What's up, everybody? It's your boy Script the Legend bringing you guys another YouTube video. This one's on GFAL. Sorry, let me move this from your screen. That's me when I'm editing. Oh, hey, I could edit it out, but I ain't gonna edit it out. All right, we gonna talk about GFAL. GFAL is not in a bad predicament right now. Right now, we're saying the volume is up for the last 24 hours. It's up 70%, which makes sense. Everything that it's doing is really in correlation with Bitcoin, Binance, to the volume, to the price movement, to every single thing. I want to show you guys the current GFAL holder count. This is stepping away from videos where people are just like, "Hey guys, this is what GFAL is." No, we're talking about what is happening with GFAL in this video. This is a update. GFAL is up to now 19,330 holders. At the end or at the beginning of the month of December, the holder count was at 15,000, which means we've seen a consistent 1,500 or to 1,000 holder increase month to month. And I'm loving that. I'm happy to see that, especially with Bitcoin having around the corner, especially with the launch of multiple GFAL products coming out as well. You have Soccer Legends, you have Elemental Raiders, you have Jump Pump, you have Dynamo Dreams that are all about to come out. And we can actually take a second to acknowledge all the things that they have upcoming to really give some insight into the trading volume itself. So they talked about a couple things with Trip Hawkins, the founder of Electronic Arts, who is often accredited as that, and also sparking the creation of the modern gaming industry as well, with EA now being valued at $38 billion and being home to some of the most influential games ever made. In this conversation, we discussed the creation of the modern computer games industry and how immersive technologies, artificial intelligence, Web3, and business of gaming will shape the future of an industry enjoyed by more than half the planet. Who and this is the guy. We're this article is big because we're talking about Chip Hawkins, who was the founder of GFAL. So all that being said, let's continue on. Let's continue onward. There's been more advances and more pushes with Elemental Raiders when it comes to the mobile version of the game. They also have and some of the things that are consisting in this new version is daily rewards and making every login count for a lot of people, as well as making the spells faster, the enhancement to the UI. Those are a couple things. There were servers that were undergoing maintenance at 13 UTC. That was yesterday, but the servers are back online now and are ready. So, like I said, the enhancements were made to the UI, daily rewards, and still some upgrades being made to the what's it called? To the mobile version. The updates regarding Soccer Legends, there was a new patch update, and some of the pitch notes, as they like to call it, go as follow. Equipment rates were not working properly, so they fixed that. They also had the classic passive crash the game, or that was something that was consisting. That's something that's fixed. Another thing that's fixed is not having enough characters to play on progressive dungeon, and didn't trigger a game over. uh not having enough characters to play on progressive dungeon didn't trigger the game over. Assists were not losing energy correctly. Characters were not healing properly. Equipment level didn't update until reloading the character. Some characters appear at level 0, and daily login was messed up. Day 4 and day 7 or day 5 rewards were better than day 7 rewards. So those are some things and some known issues where the heal pop up, character images for overflow and hide others. Characters list on the bench menu is aligned down right instead of up left. Changing between teams fast bugs the potential. Pre-match illustration disappearing, and after the match PD buttons are not blocked. So those are some things that were fixed. Great, great things. Great to see and great to hear of. To know that they're still making those pushes and those strives. Um, if you're not familiar, GFAL did make an update, or not make an update. They made an announcement of creating a wallet that's connected to the GFAL marketplace. So now you can buy GFAL more directly and take it right into that wallet, or you don't have to have a trust wallet. You don't have to have a MetaMask. You can just go on the website, buy your GFAL, and then go buy those tokens, or not even buy those tokens. Buy those tokens and then buy the elemental crystals that you can use to make some in-game purchases. So we had a lot of things that transpired in the last 20, not even the last 24 hours, since the last time I recorded a GFAL video. I apologize to the GFAL audience that I have on my channel, but hey, I'm here and I'm here to stay. I want to continue talking about GFAL. I love what they're doing. Hence that, or after hearing that, let's move on into what they have been doing. We're going to look at a couple of their trading pairs that had made some of those big moves that we were discussing, right? As we see here, we got the GFAL to USDT pair on PancakeSwap, and that consisted of $600,000, 900 total transactions, 513 were buys, 397 were sales, and there were some buys. There were some buys and there were some big dollar sales. I must go slow so people can take screenshots and track wallets if they want to. Speaking of which, if there is a crypto that you're looking for that's going to create a wallet that is going to allow you to pay mortgages and also track whales and other people's wallets like it was your own, but not make transactions with them, of course, Atlas Wallet and Evergrow Coin is that project for you. With that being said, though, let's continue on. And you can see right here some of these transactions that took place. And honestly, guys, I want to say it does, but doesn't matter. This speaks to the weaker side of this liquidity, but the stronger side of this use case. Because many people have many reasons to buy GFAL tokens, like we said it before. With that wallet, you buy GFAL tokens to buy elemental crystals. Buying those elemental crystals increase your chance of being better and having a higher success rate of winning in the Elemental Raiders game, and also in Soccer Pump and a couple other games as well. I keep making mistakes, but I'm not editing it out. Y'all are gonna get this. I'm not gonna say what I was gonna say. It was gonna be a massive pause. Y'all are gonna get this footage as it comes, right? With some editing here and there. I want to, now that we looked at some of the trades that happened, let's take this back out. Let's pull back out of it. As you can see, Binance is following a similar pattern. Makes sense for GFALT and Binance to be on the same pattern because GFAL is on the Binance chain. It also makes sense for GFALT's volume to go up because so has cryptocurrencies on Binance's exchange, or Binance's decentralized exchange portion, gone up as well. The Binance chains pool has gone up 30% for the last 24 hours. Earlier today, though, it was up 40, 50%. That correlates to GFAL's 30% increase in trading volume. So this all makes sense. Now, I could go into more of I could explain more of, okay, who's getting more trading volume, who's getting less, and things of that nature. If you guys want me to do so, then allow me to say that it is the stable coins and the meme coins who are getting the majority of the trading volume right now. People aren't really looking for GFAL type tokens. No one's really looking for a cryptocurrency they're not looking for a project. They're looking for a meme coin. They're looking for something that has already a strong community, already going to possibly have a strong rally behind it to have a boost and just to boost the wealth and the money that they have made. This is a really greedy market right now. So like I said, nobody's looking, or very few people are looking for a new crypto project. If you are a new listener and you are looking for that new crypto project, especially in the gaming altcoin space, GFAL is that token. They are growing in holder count. They are creating they have products coming out. They are consistently doing AMAs. They are consistently doing marketing, and they have a even bigger marketing push that's going to come out once these games actually fully launch, because none of these games have actually fully launched. They're all still in beta or alpha testing or alpha launches. The game Elemental Raiders will be coming out fully to mobile sometime soon. By the end of this year, that Elemental Raiders game, that the Elemental Raiders game, this game right here, will be on PlayStation and Nintendo Switch and Xbox, and we'll have NFTs. We'll have have play to earn integrated into the game. Also having guilds and many upgrades. So this is a great time to get in before those actually go live, and it's actually taken advantage of by the whole market as a whole, because they are hosting gaming tournaments, and those tournaments are only going to get larger and larger and larger and bring in more and more and more investors. But with all that being stated, I'm ending the video here. Just a very rough, quick, and easy video for you guys to just hear an update on GFAL, hear an update, and see an update on what the games that GFAL are creating and have created and are working on, where they're at currently, and also what does the current trading mean for GFAL in the near future and in the far future and in the distant future. With all that being stated, though, I'm happy with where Evergrow's at. I mean, not Evergrow, where GFall's at, and I can't wait to see more of GFall in the future, and we'll probably be buying more. But I'm not a financial advisor, and what you just heard was not financial advice, and what you heard in this entire video was not financial advice. Thank you guys all for watching, though. Stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.